Hello friends, welcome to my fourth lecture of ionic equilibrium. In last lecture, we have seen electrolytes, types of electrolyte and pH scale. Today, I will discuss salt hydrolysis, types of hydrolysis of salts, buffer solutions and types of buffer solutions. So let us see salt hydrolysis. We know acid react with base, gives salt and water. But there are four types of salts. Salts of strong acids and strong bases, salts of weak acids and strong bases, salts of strong acids and weak bases, and last one is salts of weak acids and weak bases. So let us see first point, salts of strong acids and strong bases. First, we should know examples of strong acids and strong bases. HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, these are strong acids. When these strong acids react with strong bases like sodium hydroxides and potassium hydroxides, it gives salt and water. But these types of salts are called as salts of strong acids and strong bases. This is example of salt of strong acid and strong bases. HCl reacts with sodium hydroxide, it gives NaCl. So NaCl is an example of salt of strong acids and strong bases. So next point is salts of weak acids and strong bases. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. Potassium hydroxide is also strong base. But acetic acid, oxalic acid, these are weak bases. This acetic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide. It gives sodium acetate and water. So sodium acetate is an example of salt of weak acid and strong base. Similarly, acetic acid reacts with potassium hydroxide. It gives potassium acetate. So potassium acetate is also example of salt of weak acid and strong base. Now third type is salt of strong acids and weak bases. So we know already examples of strong acids: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. These are the examples of strong acids. When HCl reacts with ammonium hydroxide, it gives ammonium chloride. Ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. This ammonium hydroxide react with HCl, it gives ammonium chloride. So ammonium chloride and ammonium nitrate are the examples of salts of strong acids and weak bases. You should know at least two examples of strong acids, strong bases, weak acids and weak bases. Now last point is salt of weak acid and weak base. We know acetic acid is weak acid and ammonium hydroxide is weak base. When acetic acid reacts with ammonium hydroxide, it gives ammonium acetate. So ammonium acetate is a salt of weak acid and weak base. So these are the types of salt hydrolysis, or these are the types of salts. Now next point is buffer solution. So what is meant by buffer solution? Definition of buffer solution is the solution which resists the sudden change in pH. The sudden change in its pH value by addition of small amount of acid or base is called as buffer solution. So there are mainly two types of buffer solutions: acidic buffer and basic buffer. We know pH scale. If pH less than 7, it means solution is acidic in nature, and if pH greater than 7, it means the given solution is basic in nature. So similarly, acidic buffer, pH of acidic buffer is also less than 7 and pH of basic buffer is greater than 7. So how will you prepare buffer solutions? Buffer solutions prepare from salt of weak acid and strong base and weak acid, means it is a mixture of weak acid and salt of weak acid and strong base. We know acetic acid is a weak acid and sodium acetate is a salt of weak acid and strong base. So in this way you can prepare acidic buffer. Similarly, you can prepare basic buffer by adding ammonium hydroxide with ammonium chloride. Ammonium hydroxide is a weak base and ammonium chloride is a salt of weak base and strong acid. So in this way you can prepare basic buffer. You should know buffer system present in a blood. So buffer system present in blood is H2CO3 plus NaHCO3. So this is a mixture of two compounds and this mixture is present in blood, and this is also called as buffer system present in blood.